This is the mathematics class of class 4 from NCERT. Today's chapter is long and short, and this is lecture number 5. Today's topics are guess and find out, I wish I were, try to find out. Now, first topic is guess and find out. Come to the question. First question is how long is the thread in a reel? Answer. The length of the thread in a reel is usually 50 meter, but it can also be 100 meter, 200 meter, etc. depending upon the size of the reel. Now, this is a picture of a reel and the color of the thread is green. Now come to the next question. How long is the string of a kite reel? Can it be more than a kilometer long? Answer. The length of the string of a kite reel depends upon its size. It may be 200 meter, 500 meter, 1000 meter, etc. Now, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So, if it is 1000 meter, then it is 1 kilometer. What is the next question? Can it be more than a kilometer long? Yes, it can be more than a kilometer long, because if the length of the string of a kite reel is 1200 meter, then it is more than 1 kilometer, and the size of the reel may be more than 1 kilometer. Okay. Now, this is the picture of the size of the kite reel, and these are the threads. Okay. What is the color of the thread? That is white. This is the thread. This is the reel. Now come to the next. This is the picture of a handkerchief. I think every one of you have a handkerchief. Some of you have more than one handkerchief. Now, what is the question? If a handkerchief is made out of a single thread, how long would that thread be? If a handkerchief is made out of a single thread, then the thread would be about 100 meter or 200 meter long, or it may be 500 meter also. Now, there is a poem. Now, in this poem, we will learn about kite, about mountains, about birds, etc. And we also learn about their relative heights. Now, this is a house. This is a kite. This is a bird. This is cloud. And this is aeroplane. Now, read the poem first. I wish I were a kite so that I could rise above this building's height. This is a building, and if I were a kite, then I could rise above this building's height. Next, I wish I were a bird, so that I could fly, reach above that kite, reach above that kite. I wish I were a cloud, so that I could move above those little birds. I wish I were a plane, so that I could rise above the clouds and the hills. These are the hills. Now repeat the poem. I wish I were a kite so that I could rise above this building's height. I wish I were a bird so that I could fly and reach above the kite. I wish I were a cloud so that I could move above these little birds. I wish I were a plane so that I could rise above the cloud and the hills. Now, I think the meaning of this poem is clear to everybody. क्या बोला है? अगर मैं एक काइट हो सकता हूँ, then I could rise above this building site. If I were a bird, then I could fly and reach above that kite. If I were a cloud, so that I could move above those little birds. I wish I were a plane so that I could rise above the clouds and the hills. Now, try to find out what is the highest building that you have seen. I tell about myself. Now, the highest building that I have seen is Qutub Minar. Repeat the questions. What is the highest building that you have seen? The highest building that I have seen is Qutub Minar. About how many rooms high was it? It is about 25 rooms high. Come to the next. Try to find out question number 2. How high can a kite go? Answer. A kite can fly to a height of 50 to 60 meters. Now, next question is, can it go higher than the Qutub Minar? It cannot go higher than the Qutub Minar. In the previous lesson, all of you have seen the picture of Qutub Minar. Now, question number 3. How high can a plane fly? Answer. A plane can fly to a height of about 10 to 14 meters. Next question. Can it fly higher than Mount Everest, which is about 9 kilometers high? So, if I ask the question that what is the height of Mount Everest, then what is the answer? The height of the Mount Everest is about 9 kilometers. Now, can it fly higher than Mount Everest, which is about 9 kilometers high? Answer. Yes, it can fly higher than the Mount Everest. Now, question number 4. Have you ever seen clouds below you? Yes, I have seen clouds below me while traveling in the air. That is, when I was traveling in the air inside a plane, then I have seen clouds below me. So, I think this is clear to everyone. Complete all of this and write this in your copy. This is about today's class. Thank you.